Hey yo girlies, this is day 14 out of 100 as a Jugaad content creator looking for brand collaboration PR packages in 100 days. So let's see how many brands will collaborate with me in these 100 days. So what's for day 14? Today I am going to actually recreate Parita's outfit for Moon. You know, the performance video you might have seen her outfit. Let's recreate it together with all jugaad that today I have all my old clothes. By this I will recreate it. So as you guys know, I don't like showing my skin so much, so as always I have my leggings on, and I would have wear, or I should have wear a stocking, but I don't have a stocking, so I wear legging. And the people who misunderstand, I just wear shorts under over it. Okay, then as you can see that Parita, she has a shorts in a pant, short pant, and high neck t-shirt over it, and her tummy, left side tummy is like showing. Guys, it was for day 4 I think I cutted my bros pants, so I have this short pant with me. I don't know how it will fit, but I'll make it. This is the old overcoat of mine, so today I'm going to make it look like this by this, okay? Her one side of her arms were free and full. So let's start. So guys, her one side of tummy was showing like this. And it was full, so for that I will manage it like this, and even her one side of this one was long. I will manage my old again. I will use it for my full long short pants, short pants pair. That's this. This is how it looks. I have a black one as she exactly she wore it. Like she did it. She did this part. because it's all jugaad and I work so hard for this outfit. So thank you for everyone for joining me and for this challenge. Thank you for everyone and thank you for everything and thank you. Let's meet in the next video. This is for day 14. Let's meet in the day 15. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you. Let's recreate it more. If you guys just request me to do some recreation, I'll try to recreate it. Okay. Thank you.